Welcome back to Apex Gun Parts. Today we're doing a very special unboxing of a new batch of parts kits we just got in at the warehouse, the Yugoslavian M77 battle rifle. Alrighty, so let's go through this new parts kit we just got at Apex, the Yugo M77. Now the M77 is a battle rifle similar to the G3 and the FAL and the L1A1. It's chambered in 7.62 by 51mm NATO. Very exciting. It's a AK in 308. It is issued with 20 round box magazines just like the G3 and the FAL. We've been calling them the Yugo FALs for funsies, even though they're not FALs at all. Don't think they're FALs, they're AKs. Alrighty, so let's dive into the contents of these kits. Okay, so first and foremost, let's take out the bolt-in carrier. Now, this is a longer bolt-in carrier than a normal AK. You can see it's got an extra rib there. And the bolt is a little bit longer as well. And this is all just beefy reinforcement for that 7.62 by 51mm NATO cartridge, the full power rifle cartridge. Here we've got a standard M70 style butt stock. You can see it's not a Tang style stock like commercial guns. This is a military gun, and it has interchangeable furniture with the M70 series stamped and milled rifles. So if you don't like the furniture, there's a lot of aftermarket options for this, which is really awesome if you want to make it all tactical or something, but wood, am I right? So here's the M70 butt stock. Let's look at the hand guards here. Now I've got a standard Yugo lower hand guard, nothing to write home about. And then we've got a standard Yugo upper hand guard. And we've got this special gas tube that's very similar to the Yugo M76 DMR. Again, this is a battle rifle, but it has this little notch here because it's got a adjustable gas block. So here it is, the adjustable gas block. So if you are super special and you want to suppress AKs, this gun is just going to be fantastic for that because it's got a built-in adjustable gas block with this regulator tube that comes out for easy cleaning. Pretty awesome there, and it's got multiple gas adjustment settings just like an FAL, even though this is an AK. Next we've got a regular old recoil spring. However, it is the telescoping type, which is a little bit more beefy. These are on the really early milled AKs and as well as the RPKs. Makes sense because it's shooting a full-size rifle cartridge, so better have a better recoil spring. And then we've got a standard stamped style top cover. Not much to write home about there. It is serialized and we'll have different variations of this kit, whether you want a really primo one with all matching numbers, or if you're on a little bit more of a budget, we got that too. This video's going great. I'm just doing a great job, huh? The M77 is a milled receiver rifle, so there's no front and rear trunnions, but that's okay. We've got the rear sight block here, Yugo safety selector, and then we've got, regular Yugo furniture, just like we were talking about earlier. And it also comes with this special 30 cal flash hider that is kind of unique to the M77, gives it a really unique look. The 77 does have an extended barrel. It's not 16 inch, it's about 20 inches or so. Very cool, more to add to that full power rifle cartridge battle rifle mystique. Then we've got our small parts bag here. I'm not gonna go through the details of this, but I do wanna point out that these are military guns, so they do have these select fire control groups. So pretty cool. These aren't commercial guns, these are military guns. So that's everything that comes in the M77 rifle parts kit. And we also have 20 round box magazines available. So kind of adding to that whole battle rifle theme there. These are nice steel construction magazines. They are Zastava, they are military issue. Nice solid construction. What more do you have to say about it, really? Alright guys, if you are interested in one of these awesome M77 battle rifle parts kits, ApexGunParts.com is a place you want to go to. We're excited to be able to offer these to you guys. We've got these awesome kits for a great price, so be sure to check them out on our website at ApexGunParts.com. We also have a limited number available of them in the grenade launching gas block setup as well, if that interests you. So be sure to check us out, and we will catch you in the next one.